What is up, market experts? I'm Mitch Biesmeyer here with your Monday market update from Weichert Realtor Centennial. Really tough night across the OKC metro as storms and tornadoes wreaked havoc across the area. If anyone out there is in need of supplies, services, contact with local contractors that can help with mediation and things like that, we'd love to do that for you. Just send us a message and we will get you in contact with some local professionals that can help you out. For the Monday market update today, we're going to be talking about interest rates. If you've been following interest rates this year, they've mostly been flatlining and dropping off a little bit. But over the last 2 weeks, that trend has changed. Our lender partners were telling us as of 2 weeks ago, they were closing people in the fives. That's now up to 6.928. You can see how it compares to the 10-year treasury rate here on this graph. They've been basically in lockstep with each other, although that gap has grown a little bit. These rate increases are anticipatory based off of recent inflation report numbers and job growth numbers. The interesting part about the inflation report is a lot of that has to do with shelter prices, specifically rent prices, and rent prices are going to continue to go up as demand is driven by higher interest rates where fewer people can purchase a home. So that's a little bit of an interesting thing. The other piece to note is lenders can help you with this. You can even get seller paid or builder paid 2-1 buy downs and things like that. So let us talk to you about your different options and make sure you're talking to a professional lender and we can get you in contact with them to help you. We'll see you guys next Monday.